Good morning, everyone. Oh, it feels like a sauna out here already. There is no niceness to this air whatsoever. None, nada, zero. It's sticky hot and humid. Yep, we did not even get a little shower last night, so I am going to have to get out the hose and water the perennial border today. I'm not behind on ordering any of my trees or pots, so that's not so bad, but yeah, I'm gonna need to do that. I'm so happy about it, can't you tell? A perfect summer for me is we get like rain every 3 days and I don't have to water. We have had a few good summers like that. Good morning, Panther. Hey, buddy. Don and I have already given him his pill this morning. He seems more motivated for food and hanging around and tolerating it in the morning. He doesn't try, well, at least the last 2 mornings, all I can say is he didn't try to go hide on me, so he's looking a little less, is gaunt the right word? I've got 2 more of those pills and I'm pretty determined to use them the next 2 mornings, and then we'll try again without them and see how we do. It's obvious when he's not nauseous, he doesn't throw up and he eats better. So the medicine does seem to be quite effective. I have no clue about why he was nauseous or long-term, how long he could take that or any of those other things. But let's just hope when I stop it this time that he, you know, then he really won't need it anymore. Hey, Gray. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Hi, sweetie girl. Were you happy Johnny's home? I know you were. It'll be better for me and the plants if I go ahead with the hose now, so that's what I'm going to do. I did the catio end, but I got to do the garage end with the hose. I did the catio end by hand. Thanks for being good helpers, boys. I got the hose on the hydrangea kind of behind Marty over there. They tend to dry out quick, and when they're blooming especially, that's not a good thing. Hey, bud. I'll come out and I got one more place to move it. Meow. And the splash pad is open. Yep. With lots of happy campers. Yeah. Happy day before Memorial Day, everybody.
Yes, and it's warm enough for them and the wind's not blowing, so they're probably enjoying it just fine.
Yeah, Jules says it's 76, but I'm not convinced that Jules has been out of the garage long enough to be accurate. We'll see. And
also the sun's really strong.
Yeah, and the humidity's up. It don't feel even if it is 76, it feels like 85.
I thought I asked A this morning, it's going to be 92.
Yeah, that's why I got everything watered before the sun hit hard today. Yeah. So there's 30 people at the basketball court at least, and one of them is driving a Performance Y. And then there's another one driving a regular Y.
Oh, that's so cool.
And we did learn that the flags are for some sort of new gardening area they're going to put in over there. That's what Wade said. Some sort of garden thing that'll just make it, I believe his words were, harder for us to mow properly. Yeah, well, you know, I spend a lot of time over here. I'm just going to tell people, the people that think the garden there is a good idea, that's not a good idea.
That's right.
Build more garden over by Mineral Springs on the hill where the grass is, or terrace that in with something. Or I mean, I can think of other places in town that will get tore up. There will be trash in it every morning and it will get tore up. And there was a guy over there using the grass for doing something while other people were playing basketball. He was practicing something, and
it's a nice
flat place that is not terrace. This over here, I don't know, that's not a good spot, but they didn't ask me. But I spend a lot of time over here, I know. They have moved the yearly flag display in honor of our veterans who gave their lives for our country over here in front of the Fuquay Police Department, the new location. And
we do take the time to remember.
Yep.
You know, we have the country we are. We're free to live here because of the price that these people paid.
Yeah, well, I thought about it yesterday. It was the right thing to do to get the yard mowed and tidy. It's kind of a sign of respect on Memorial Day weekend that everything is trimmed up and looking good, because the only reason we have the nice piece of property and the plants and the things that make us happy is because, you know, people fought hard for us to have those things.
That
so
freedom. Yep.
that freedom, and I
was
was pleased to trim things up yesterday.
Yeah. We'll have to come by here in the evening to see the flags, because those are little solar lights that light up the flags.
Yes. Yeah, we should definitely. It'll be here for a few days. We should definitely come and see it at night also. Okay, Jules has her brain now, and she says it's 87 out there. I told you it was hot. We're gonna go to the greenway, but we're only gonna walk to the lake, which is mostly in the shade. We're not gonna walk on over to the high school. That puts us over 3 miles and in the sun, and so we're not gonna do that. We're not quite acclimated to the heat. It takes, you know, a little bit. We could do it, but we're not gonna do that today. Don's got more project stuff, and we're gonna stop by Home Depot on the way back, and I'm happy with to the lake and back. Will Jules do the right turn on red here? She's stopping.
Yeah, it's totally clear. She's gonna do it.
Yep. All right. Whoa, baby! Is Dawn driving or Jules?
That's Jules, baby. I like it. Whenever she decides to go, she goes.
Dawn's got the screen turned a little bit.
Tesla had it turned, but
oh, Tesla liked it and turned it on you, huh?
Man, they would just so.
Way cool. Checking out the modification.
All right, here we slow down. Slow down.
Yeah, well, she hasn't taken us into the parking lot before.
Slow down.
Yep, she's not.
I gotta do it.
Yep, gotta put on the turn signal, gotta get in the center lane.
Yeah, well, now we can test to see if she's gonna park.
All right, how does she handle the parking?
I see.
He said to come on. He waved you to go.
Right. So where are we gonna go?
Yeah.
I want to park. Ah.
Oh, you are getting to pick.
Yeah, I agree.
Not just where she put the P, but in the other spaces.
It's giving her plenty of room to calculate.
There's a bolt.
It is. That's the
EUV. That's the bigger one.
Bigger one.
Yeah. The people are in it, and they had loaded up, including a doggy.
And just waiting for us to park. There they go.
Looks perfectly straight to me.
Yeah, I agree 100%. She did great.
Yeah, we're enjoying the shady spots of the trail. The sunny spots, not as much. It's more shady when we don't accidentally come right in the middle of the day. Gargoyle lower right, and the pretty purple hydrangea.
Yeah.
Very nice. Spent a few nice hydrangeas on the trail today. Well, we have one swan over here today, and with the Canadian geese, and it's really pretty, but there's very little water coming over because it's been a few days since we had any truly measurable rain. Oh, be careful, buddy, don't hurt yourself. And we are going to head around, like we said. It's we've had enough sun.
Yeah.
And all there is in that direction is
More sun.
more sun. I'm having visions of cobbler, although the amount of maple syrup I have to add to it so it's edible is not so good. A car with climate on waiting for me is a happy sight. I see the air conditioning water, it went the other side. I was like, oh no, I don't see any drainage. But there is. Yeah, this is drift, it says on the side of it. I don't know, the one says popcorn. This is pink drift. This is like that creeping one I have. The container is very similar to the same, you know, I remember the container, so I'm totally believing that's right. Don went inside. He's gonna wilt in the sun. It's a Model 3 owner with a long rod. I'm sure he'll get it in there. Home Depot is very unfulfilling today. We've left with nothing. They were out of the small and the large cement pavers that I wanted, and it was horribly hot, and Don was on a mission to help me not see anything that I would have wanted to get besides what I went for. So
That's right.
Home Depot was not fun today.
I'm sorry.
Not fun.
Well, it's not date night.
Any afternoon can be date afternoon. Look at that emerald green wrap. It's a Y, right?
Yeah, that's a Y.
Yeah. We're turning right. Jules is thinking about going. In that case, I'd have rather the green Y crossed in front of us, but oh well. Let's try Lowe's.
Yeah. We can sit out. I can sit out here while my F50 runs the air conditioner.
Yeah, let's not. Okay, they have the slate colored 16 by 16 squares here. That's what I put underneath those big blue pots. These are both headed over by the dogwood tree by the side of the house. Yeah, they're heavy. Does it say how much they weigh each?
No idea. 3,100.
36 pounds stone weight.
Okay.
Is that how much one of them weighs? Good Lord. All right, we got what I wanted. The little hexagons are cute. Could be darker, but it beats square when I really wanted round, so it's all good. It's just gonna get dirt splashed up on it anyway. It's just going under a pot. Don ended up moving the pavers that were on top of his hand truck, so we got the stones put underneath these guys. And like I said, it just gives us the option of moving them, and it keeps rooting the grounds from going through the holes into the pot. And should the tree in the pot get going, it keeps them from going into the ground. It just makes them movable if we need to move them. Both of these big ones are on now, and so are the little guys. But Don said this one was plenty heavy. It's got a lot of water in it. I can see that. So 2 of that cozy house set are going to create this quote-unquote classic townhouse. I don't know that I like the back of the townhouse, but I definitely like the front. So here we go. Start with another 16 by 32 basic base plate. It's 7:15 and I'm stopping for dinner. I've made a good start on it. Getting this right in the front and how I wanted it to look, you know, took a little bit. I'm 2 of these aqua flowers short. I can probably find a couple in my stash. We'll see. This is a painting. He called it Savannah Sunset or something like that. It's just a good way on these alternate or modified builds to use up spare parts you aren't using anywhere else in the build. And yeah, so I'm gonna start cooking dinner. I might put a piece or 2 more on, but I'm pretty much done for the night.
So there it is, Memorial Day ice cream, yum yum. And we even gonna have some cookies. And we have pecans, chocolate chips, whipped cream, chocolate syrup, and caramel syrup. And Johnny's got a good start on his.